Oh yeah. Woo. Baby, when you smile, you look so beautiful. See the way you find, you look so natural. Baby, when you touch, it's so magical. Everything you do, it's so wonderful. They say love is blind, but I can see it in your eyes. Obianuju, Omalecha Nwata dị mma. Oh yeah. Neme. Oh yeah. Omalecha Nwata dị mma. Obianuju, my love, oh baby, you know you're just a blessing. And then a bejolu, mwa muru na mma. Onyo mani I'm going crazy. I can't believe myself. They say love is blind, but I can see it in your eyes. Obianuju, Omalecha Nwata dị mma. Oh yeah. Neme. Oh yeah. Obianuju, Omalecha Nwata dị mma. My baby, Omalecha Nwata dị mma.
For like give me love, oh. Now you the catch my shot, oh. For your sake, I go touch you. Hey. We go drive around if for my Porsche. Baby, pana, they say you like you all. I get you all. Baby, pana, anywhere that you go, I can follow you to go. Baby, pana, they say you like cassava, I get to be cassava. Hey, baby, pana, my love for you will never die, will never die. Iva, oh baby, Iva, baby you too sweet.
Oh yes sir, oh they legend together, let no man put us under. You will live forever, no retreat and no surrender. It's your happy day, your happy day. It's your wedding day, your wedding day. It's your happy day. Your happy day, it's your wedding day. Okay, your wedding day. Your man feels so blessed and he feels so good for putting this ring on your finger. Everything nice and everything good. Yeah, I can see the ginger. Loving you, loving you, loving you, loving you. Your man is loving you, loving you, loving you. Your woman is loving you. Loving you, loving you. Put a smile upon that face. Put a smile upon that face. Let your man just rock your waist. Let your man just rock your waist. Put a smile upon that face. Put a smile upon that face. Let your man just rock your waist. Let your man just rock your waist. One day legend together. Let no man put us under. You will live forever. No retreat and no surrender. Your happy day, your happy day. It's your wedding day,
Right, Nicole, cousins. I don't know everybody, but still getting to know people. Met distant cousins, grandpas and grandmas. I also say thank you to my family. I'm listening to all the kids. Y'all brought us together. I always say thank you to the whole city of Wichita. Wrestling mother, wrestling everything to survive. I want to say thank you to Queen. I want to say thank you to the law. I can't mention everyone today. I want to say thank you to all these people that are looking at you, she kindly out. All the way from Kansas City, thank you so much for the equipment. Oh man, I want to say thank you to my MC, you know that. To my girls married, 2016. They couldn't hear the ring tonight when they were here with me. To the bridesmaid, I want to say thank you to you guys. Look around, so hard to come a long way. I want to say thank you to Auntie Bimbola. Auntie Bimbola, I say thank you, man. May God uphold you, God bless your family. May God uphold you, may God bless your family. I want to say thank you to Pastor Mrs. President Kelvin. Oh, a lot of people do know. I want to say thank you to Daniel Back. I want to say thank you to Precious, to Orlando, to Machete. I want to say thank you to the Kansas City, the DJ from Kansas City. Thank you for holding it down. We love you guys. I want to say thank you to my boy Robert. We call him Reverend Production all the way from Tulsa. Tulsa in the house. I want to say thank you to Motivate. I want to say thank you to the Yoruba Association of Tulsa. Yoruba Association of Tulsa. Yoruba Association of Tulsa. Hey, we can make it happen in Wichita. It's so amazing how people can come around and do amazing things. A lot of people. I want to say thank you to so many people. I pray that God bless you all. The other game of watch. You guys can be anywhere but you're here with me. On that note, shut down. Party. You guys can help us out. Everybody, please can help us move. You guys get out of here by me. While we're playing, we can still look at the video before we go. Alright? I don't know where you guys are going, but we gotta go home. I gotta set a twinkle on the way. I gotta set a frequency on the way. There's nothing not to happen. Thank you, everybody.